Oh, hi there. It's me, Faos Abidyasin, and today I am in this IDN boarding school, and maybe we should take a look of it. Let's go. First, in here, I am in the river area. As you can see, it's a river behind me, and this river usually used when we are tired and after school we have to get some refreshing. We went to this river and swimming with our friends, of course, and maybe we are going to this the only building. It's a canteen, toilet, and also the cafe. Let's go. It's up there, and there is a, you can say, some security post in here. You have to put your slipper. Wait a minute. You have to put your slipper in here. There is a rack of shoes and slipper. I'm sorry, it's maybe it will be a little yeah, I don't know how to say it. And here we are on the toilet. This toilet, all of this toilet is for student, for santri, and we also have the kitchen. There is in here we have the kitchen, and don't disturb them, just keep going. We are going to upstairs. In here we have the canteen, which is closed because it's study time, so it's closed. And here is the cafe area. It's pretty big, I know, and it's kind of fancy with like this kind of light up here. Yeah, and it's so cool. And as you can see, there is a magazine in here. And the place for put your plate is here. And there is a clock up there. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's just move on into the next building. We are going to the it's RPL class. We are going to the RPL class, the 10th grade RPL class. They were studying, so maybe we'll not have a conversation or something. That is the no. It's behind there. Yeah, there is the class. It's up there. It's a little bit high. And this one is the TKG class. It's also a little bit high. I'm sorry if I moved my face too close because this camera is too zoomy. This one is the junior high school, 7th grade class. It's still up there. It's so high. This one is the dome of the junior high school, 8A, if I'm not mistaken. It's 8A. And in here there is the dormitory for the 7th grade. This one, the big one. In here, next, we have the dormitory for the 8th grade. I think it's 8B. Sorry, we can get into the dormitory because it's locked. And this one This one is for a teacher, so it's teacher dormitory. And also in here we have the mosque, the place where we can pray and memorize Quran and some good things. But also the mosque we have the toilet, the other toilet, and the wudu place. You can go in here, as you can see in here. Tada, it's the wudu place. Next, there are several students that is recording something, but let's just get into the building. And here is the main mosque. Okay, next we are going to the RPL dormitory. Let's go. Running. Hop. Okay, we are here. Sorry, it's a little bit messy because the roof is getting changed. It's getting some upgrade, so it's a little bit busy. And so, what is it said? It's a little bit loud in here. Yeah, this is the dormitory for the RPL or software engineering, and this one is my dormitory, or you can say network engineering dormitory. I know it's a little bit messy, but it's still be good to live in there. And this one is junior high school class. Junior high school class. They were learning same of the others. This one also junior high school class. It's the 8B, I guess. They were also studying. In next we have RPL class. Hi RPL class. Yeah, they were not answering my They're so sad. And the last one, last but not least, for the class, it's the TKJ class or network engineering class. Yeah.
Hey, go.
Okay. Now the last one is the office. This one is the office. There is some arrow target and something else. Yeah, that's all for the building. Actually there is a lot more than that, but yeah, I don't know if I can tell you. Just like this one, there is a new area that being upgrade, but I still don't know what it is. Yeah, maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.